Hello, hola, konnichiwa, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sakura and it's been a long while, I know, since the last time we've seen each other, but today we're going to be unboxing Fukubukuros, or Japanese lucky bags that I got here in Japan because I live in Japan. So I got, well, my husband actually got me this once, but I got myself this bags. And let's get started. And lucky bag number one. I actually kind of know what's inside this bag because the tag says it, but we're going to make it a surprise for you. One of the tags say it's from Rilakkuma. I don't know if you know the character, but it's very popular in Japan. And it says happy life with Rilakkuma, or the relaxed bear. We're all lazy and relaxing as always. Won't you join us? That's a really good theme for the holidays. We're still in holidays here. So let's take a look at what this gorgeous, cute bear bag has in store for us. Ooh, pajamas. And it still says happy life with Rilakkuma. We're all lazy and relaxing as always. Won't you join us? They really want us to be lazy and relaxed. So yeah, I got this one in the size L. And I'm hoping it fits me. I'm wearing my Christmas gift from The Mandalorian. You can see the sweater. And I'm also wearing the eye makeup from the Mandalorian palette. Oh, and this one actually has a really good sizing. So you can see here the top of the pajama and the bottom. And the material is so soft. It's so nice. Here's the bottom. Ah, this is one of them. I thought it was like a choice between, like, you would only get one pajama, but apparently you get two. I just saw that there's another one inside the bag. And I wish I could read what it says here in the little ga or something. But anyways, ga. I think that's like lazy. Did you become friends in the something something? Anyways, it has a print, a cute print. It looks like it's size appropriate. And I am quite pleased with this. So let's look at the second bag inside the cute bear bag of Rilakkuma. And this one I probably can try it on for you because it looks like it's a zip-up hoodie. Oh, look at this. And yes, it's a zip-up hoodie, and the bag is on, the size is large, so I hope it fits. Ooh, this is nice. I got this for Christmas, and I've been wearing it ever since. You might notice that I straightened my hair as well, and it's in a ponytail. Ooh, it fits. And the hoodie with my long hair. But there it is. Yay. Okay, so this is lucky bag number one. I am very pleased with it. I'm so happy. This is incredibly cute. I really love the bear ears and the bear face, like Rilakkuma all over. I have long hair, so it just kind of gets in the way. Let's see. Oh, this is better. You can see it better like this. So yeah, Rilakkuma and Mandalorian. So now for the second bag. This one is a complete mystery. I got it at Loft. It's from the Nemo animals, and I did unbox last year, the beginning of the year, a Nemo bag. And I was not so adept in making YouTube videos. I'm still not, because I'm not very constant, but I'm gonna try and set a goal for 2021 to make more YouTube videos. And let's start with a good kind of like, this would be the Nemo animals for 2022. I had the 2021 bag and I really loved it, and I have my, you can see the video, I will link it up somewhere for you to check it out. But this is one is a surprise for me because there was no tag or anything. And yes, I'm gonna keep wearing this because I think it's so cute. So, oh, this is adorable slippers for winter. Oh, they outdid themselves. I didn't know that they would have slippers, but they are so cozy. Yes, room shoes. Look at them. Look at them. They're so cute. Okay, that's item number 1. Room shoes. Item number 2. Okay. Karato Hair Cap. I have no idea what exactly this is. So I'm gonna just open it and take a look. But I think it's like a towel. It is a towel material. And it's a kitty. You can see it there. Okay, that's kind of cute. Okay, I'll show it to you in the screen. It's like a sleepy kitty. Okay, this is cute. But I'm still not sure exactly what it is for. I think it's for drying your hair. But I will put it in the description once I manage to read the Japanese of what it is. What else do we have here? Okay, this is exciting. Oh, this is so cute. It's a plushie, but it's a plushie with a heat pack inside. So I think I'm going to open the plushie and show you. Yeah, here's the heat pack that comes inside like this. I'm pretty sure you've seen this before. I've seen them before, even outside of Japan. Just fill it with hot water and it warms you up. It's really convenient for when you're having also like back pain or cramps or something. That also helps. But yeah, this is super cute. Look at this. I'm gonna remove this so you can see. It's a tanuki, but I forgot the word in English for tanuki. So it's super cute. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's so cute. And let's see. I'm so happy with this bag. What else do I have here? Okay, this is, oh, this is funny. This is some kind of cleaning brush. Okay. But the slippers stole my heart. Yeah, it's some kind of brush. See? it's the same character from the room shoes, but it's a brush. Mopo. Huh. Well, this will be coming in handy for something, but it's cute. And I think there's only one more item left. And ooh, it's a Nemo Animals Aroma Diffuser. So I guess I will have to get myself. Actually, I do have some essential oils that I don't use. So with this aroma diffuser, I will probably be able to use them. And let's take a look at what we have here. I'm not sure I will be entirely capable of figuring out how it works while filming this video, but if I figure it out, that would be great. Okay. So I think you put the essential oils here, probably with hot water or something. No, I don't think they mix. No, never mind. Don't listen to me. Just look at the cute little animal here. And yeah. So that has been it for today's video. and I hope you have enjoyed unboxing this goodies as much as I did. I have to say my favorites are this little tanuki here. It's so cute. Um, Obviously the first Myrila Kuma. Well, the thing I have. Oh wait, I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it. Seriously, I'm so distracted. Okay, this definitely a fave, and the house shoes. So those were my favorites. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos coming this year, because I bought myself an organizer and I am gonna make the effort for posting more. So have a happy new year. I hope you had a happy new year celebration, and I hope that 2022 is great for you. And yes, that's it for today. So sayonara beautiful. Bye.